Hey Jack, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Oh, it's some crackers.
Hey Brookie.
You build one in the middle? Build me something.
Bubbles. That's the bloom
Hey Richie. Say happy birthday, Jack.
Hey, happy birthday, Jack. And many more.
First birthday.
Happy birthday, Jackaroo.
Happy birthday, Jack.
Jack Straw from Wichita.
His roots are from Wichita, actually.
There you go.
That's where my dad's family's from.
One day, Jack, we can share the women, we can share the wine. We can share what we got of yours as we done shared all the time.
It's Grandpa doing the grilling.
Hi, guys.
Hey, say happy birthday.
Jack's first birthday. Yeah. Big doings.
Look at that stuff.
Nice. Veggie dogs.
Veggie dogs, regular dogs.
And regular hamburgers and the veggie hamburgers to come.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
You got a dome that's large as my Need the goggles.
Hey Alejandro.
Say hi.
Sorry, the camera. All right, we're looking for happy birthdays for Jack.
Happy birthday, Jack. You have to solicit.
Well, this is for memories, you know. We'll keep it recorded.
Was bribed. Your Aunt Peggy was bribed.
She does not wish a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jack.
Precious.
Happy birthday, Jack.
Happy birthday, Jack.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah.